Finan Simple, where money is made easy. And today, we will teach you how to book flights with Chase points and travel the world without the sticker shock. Armed with your Chase card and these tricks, you will be jet setting around the globe in no time. For this, you will need the $95 per year Chase Sapphire Preferred or $550 per year Sapphire Reserve card. If you own a business, you can also apply for the Chase Inc. Business Preferred. However, the Sapphire cards are the start of this video as we all don't have businesses. Okay, you have the right Chase Sapphire card and you have saved up Ultimate Rewards points. What is next? In order to start, simply go to the Southwest Airlines website, open two tabs there, conduct a cash price search on one of them before conducting a point search on the other. Next, check that you are flexible to changing your vacation dates and that you are looking for the cheapest days to fly in, let's say, October. Then, go ahead and perform a low-cost calendar search. Select October 2022 for the cash and points tabs before selecting search. If you want to look for non-stop flights, there is an option there and you will be able to look at all the available non-stop flight alternatives. Don't forget to consider the Wanna Getaway fares as those have great points value choices. With Southwest, you won't really discover any absurd values of 2 cents per point or more because typical exchange values are between 1.3 and 1.4 cents per point on average. However, because the cost of the trips is already so low in cash, the number of points needed for many flights is also quite modest. Therefore, one tactic you may utilize with your Chase points after moving them to Southwest is to possibly take a lot of shorter US domestic flights. This could allow you to use your Chase points for several journeys in basic economy. Moving on to the second redemption example. Let's say you want to travel over to a famous spot in the US, why not a flight to Hawaii? For this, we're going to look at a one-way flight from Los Angeles to Honolulu and use British Airways, a very well-liked Chase transfer partner. Although American Airlines is not a direct transfer partner with Chase, you can still buy American Airlines award flights with Chase points through British Airways Avios. How? In case you didn't know, British Airways is part of One World Alliance with American Airlines, which offers this feature. Now, proceed to the British Airways website and do a search for American flights. To start, simply pick Book a Flight with Avios from the Book menu at the top of the page. If you are in this part of the video, here is a bonus tip before we get to the third example. Make a quick search on Google Flights as part of your flight booking process. If you're paying with cash or points, you can find the best offers here to book flights for the lowest price. So, how does it work? You enter the same search parameters for Google Flights with your March for arrival in Honolulu and your one-way departure from LAX. You further refine it to include only non-stop flights. Now, you will be able to see all the available flights and you can even see the $335 cash cost of the American Airlines flight there. However, you will also see identical flights that go for much cheaper, like a United flight that costs only $185. That is a whole $150 cheaper. For the last example, maybe you want to go to Europe for cheap. This can either be economy or business class on a flight from JFK, New York, to the City of Love, Paris, France. For this, Flying Blue Miles and Air France are your best friends. So, how can you get there? You first go into Air France website, enter New York to Paris, then search for economy and leave the date blank. You will be able to see a calendar view for multiple dates. Let's say you want to go on December the 5th, a Monday, and it shows 15,000 Flying Blue Miles. A lot will claim that the business class is the superior option when comparing the slightly more than 6 cents per point earned on the business class ticket. This is compared to the about 2.2 cents per point earned on the economy class flight. But, depending on someone's interests like yours, you could go either way and truly see the value in traveling in business class or economy. Maybe you're tall and you need more leg space for a long flight. If you have a lot of Chase points, then maybe the 55,000 points plus $194 in additional fees is worth it. However, you should always consider the opportunity cost. So, spending an additional 40,000 Chase points for a business class ticket rather than the 15,000 points required for an economy ticket might not always be the best option. Instead, you could use the remaining 40,000 Chase points to book a one-night stay at a lovely Hyatt hotel in Paris using the economy reward. If you have the choice between a nice redemption at a hotel and a flight, The hotel probably going to be better 9 out of 10 times. I mean, come on, a 7-hour exclusive space at a plane sure sounds nice, but a 24-hour access to all the amenities in a hotel just sounds better, right? Those were the three examples on how you can make the most out of your Chase Ultimate Reward points. Hopefully, the next time you book a flight, you will apply these hacks to get better deals on your way to that next destination of yours. Safe travels! Always stay focused on learning and developing discipline. Get educated, make a plan, and stay the course. If you found this informative, smash the like button, please share it with a friend, comment down below, and let us know what would you like to have made finance simple next. And definitely subscribe so you don't miss new content. Keep your head up, ears open, and always search for knowledge. See you soon.